Make a great choice today with the 2014 TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, cruise control, multifunction display, power door locks, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.